Good evening, Dean Davison, live weather blogs.com. Meteorologist. Warm day here in Roanoke. We're up to 60 degrees in this area. We're cooling down. It's now going to the 8 o'clock hour, cooling down. 43 in Hot Springs, 48 Lewisburg, 49 Bluefield, 51 Bristol, 52 Galax, 46 Blacksburg, 50 in Roanoke, 54 in Danville and Martinsville, 49 at Smith Mountain Lake. A rundown of national temperatures. We have 50 here in Roanoke, 57 in Memphis. Cold airs up here in Billings, 6 and 16 in Bangor. These are two cold locations. You see where the boundaries laying here, with the cold versus warm. And you also have a low sitting out here, which is becoming an issue for severe weather here in Texas. And we'll go into that momentarily. 66 in Houston, 50 in Santa Fe, 58 in Los Angeles, 33 Salt Lake City. There's an area overnight we have to watch out for hail mainly and high winds. Texas, Louisiana, Arkansas area. Hail and high winds are the main threat. Very outside chance of isolated tornado tonight. The issues actually become higher with the chance of severe weather. Most likely going to be right here in the middle part of Texas, but it's going to have isolated severe weather anywhere in this area with general thunderstorms. And the main, like I said, the main area would be in Texas once again for the day on Monday. And that area will just slide along the Gulf Coast, places like New Orleans and parts of the Panhandle of Texas, Panhandle of Florida. Eastern Texas, parts of Mississippi and Alabama will be in the threat for severe weather, and that will include tornadoes for the day on Tuesday. And even Wednesday, we'll have to look out. I'm going to draw on that Wednesday. I'm going to draw the area that I'll be watching out for severe weather on Wednesday, which is going to be anywhere from Florida up through the part of North Carolina. Depending on how much warm air gets involved, it depends on how far north this probability may go. So stay with liveweatherblog.com. We'll keep you updated for the latest weather information. You can look at the 18Z GFS here. My price run, so it's fun doing this. You can see what happens here. There's some troughing going on here. Another 36 hours. 48 hours we get that warm air intrusion, the troughing here. You see where the lows developing here, right in this generalized area. There's our low 60 hours out. Ever heard of a ash runner? There we go. So what's going to happen is this warm front's going to set up here, cold front's going to set up here. This is going to be your area for severe weather. Your icing area may be right generalized here to start off with. Some overrunning could give us some snow. I'm going to continue on here. Back it up a little bit. Here's going to be, we get some snow changing to ice, then changing to rain here as the low come up near Washington, D.C. before coming out here. The 540 line is located back in western Pennsylvania at this point. So warm air will intrude, then we have a change over to ice, generally then all to rain, and wind kicks in behind it to give us cooler air to drop back in. Here's our NAM model. You can see the NAM actually is pulling a very similar GFS run model. You can see 540 line will be good about 50 hours. It's going to be where it's going to be good. You can see the precipitation is there, so snow and freezing rain is likely to pick up with this overrun. But we're going to get into that warm air. At that point, you're going to get rain, and it could be heavy at times. And that may be not good because of snowmelt. We have to watch out for flooding at that point also. Do we have anything that shows? We have some cold air, a little bit of, looks like a low precipitation, still trying to hang on. So we might have some back end snow, but it ain't going to be nothing significant. Now if I was to make a call, I would say a few inches just on the front end, up to maybe 4 inches on the front end of this in the Delaware Valley, and then it's going to change all over. Nationally speaking, this is a huge storm. We're talking winter weather watches down here in Texas and area, winter weather advisories in other areas, and winter storm warnings straight into the Midwest. Blizzard conditions are going to be also possible, and even become likely around the Chicagoland area with blizzard watches now in effect. Current radar here is one piece of the action. Here's the other piece when they get together, and we'll start their progression here into the northeast United States. But you can see we do have some rain and thunderstorms along the Gulf Coast. It's a little energy here, and the other energy in the northern jet stream up here and that'll come down and meet up with this, and we will have ourselves some fun. You can see this Roanoke Valley area, no warnings or watches at this time. So, rain will start up possibly as early as overnight, most likely we'll wait on to Monday. Monday and Monday night, rain. We will then have a chance on Tuesday for a slight area time to get some ice, with some cold air damming put into place, some freezing rain. 35 is the high on Monday, 45 on Tuesday. Then all rain Tuesday night, 100% chance. Rain also on Wednesday with 58 before the temperatures come crashing down another 10 degrees. Blustery on Wednesday night, 39 on Thursday with sunny skies. In the triad, rain increasing on Monday, 39. Rain Monday night, cloudy Tuesday, chance of showers Tuesday night into Wednesday. 39 temperature on Monday, 33 nightly low on Monday night, Tuesday 48, Tuesday night 46, Wednesday almost 70 degrees in the triad, 70 degrees. That is also something where I would also make very clear that when the front moves through, we have to watch out for thunderstorms, because when we have temperatures going near 70 degrees, you got me right, 70 degrees, you're going to have a lot of potential energy for that to occur. In the triangle, same situation, 41 chance of rain Monday night, cloudy on Tuesday with 53, 49 Tuesday night, 68, almost 70 again on Wednesday, chance of showers, possibly some thunderstorms. Like I said, we have to really keep an eye on that here in North Carolina. And partly sunny, 44, when the temperatures come crashing down on Thursday. West Virginia, 41 freezing rain Monday and Monday night. We have some significant icing possible in West Virginia. Then rain Tuesday night and Wednesday, and then change back to all snow by Wednesday night. This is one area we have to watch for significant icing. Northern Virginia, wintry mix Monday night into Tuesday, chance of freezing rain. Also an area we're going to have to watch to make sure they don't put a watch out for a significant ice event. Tuesday night rain, then rain snow likely Wednesday night. Mainly going to be a big mix. Ice might be the biggest issue here in the Northern Virginia area. Partly sunny on Monday, snow likely Monday night. That's going to be our accumulating possibility Monday night into Tuesday morning. At that point, I would see anywhere from 2 to 4 inches is the most likely snow total you're going to get out of this. Wintry mix Tuesday and Wednesday, freezing rain, which is going to be an ice situation for Wednesday night. For Wednesday and then the Wednesday night, which mixing and changing to rain. Then partly sunny on the day on Thursday. So a big mess here in Philadelphia also coming up. Not going to be a big snowstorm, but ice could be a big issue. And this is going to be the B. At 2 to 4 is looking at some of the models. I would be more safe to say 1 to 3. But 1 to 3, 2 to 4, same generalized area of a snowfall accumulation. You're not going to get a whole lot in the Philadelphia area. Unfortunately, not this time around. And I'm going to add a map here from Wild Weather, which is Kevin Riley. Good map here on his blog. Medium threat, snow, sleet, freezing rain, that's 6%. Most likely area is going to be north of Trenton and here in the northern parts, and then less likely down in Delaware. Like I said, very good analysis there by Wild Weather. If you come visit some of these, we have some good blogs on there. Complex Storm by Wild Weather. We have, L.C. Valent, one of our other forecasters. He's on here. His thing. Organizations get involved with AMS, National Weather Association. Those, click in there. There's some information about how to get involved. Somebody asked me about the Delaware Valley AMS. You just go to them, email their president. They can give you a better idea on the date of their next meeting. And Rob, of course, putting up his great blogs that he always puts up and talking about the research aircraft going into the storms, winter storms, which I think is a great idea. And of course, I have some weather one-on-ones on here, cold air damming, winter weather, grapple, things like that. And Groundhog's Day is in 2 days. I guess we're all excited about that, but I'm going to say he's probably going to see his shadow again. And it'll be 6 more weeks of winter, so you heard it here first, liveweatherblogs.com. Anyway, for liveweatherblogs.com, this is meteorologist Team Davis, and have a great evening, and stay warm.